Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that turns your app ideas into live, high-fidelity prototypes in minutes? Well, your wish just came true. If you're a freelancer, product manager, or small business owner, you know the struggle of waiting on designers and aligning specs. Krisspy is here to revolutionize the process with AI-powered prototyping. No coding or design experience is required, just describe your idea, and Krisspy takes care of the rest. Say goodbye to long design cycles and hello to rapid, efficient workflows. Let's dive into this game-changing tool. What is Krisspy? Krisspy is an AI-powered platform that simplifies the process of turning ideas into interactive prototypes. It enables users to generate high-fidelity designs in minutes, eliminating the need for complex coding or advanced design skills. Even if you're working from scratch or iterating on existing Figma files, Krisspy helps streamline the workflow with automated documentation, AI-driven design adjustments, and seamless collaboration tools. From product managers to freelancers, anyone can use Krisspy to create, refine, and launch production-ready interfaces efficiently. With Krisspy, designing a polished app prototype has never been easier or faster. Seize these limited-time lifetime deals on AppSumo. The official pricing for Krisspy can go up to $9,876, but on AppSumo, you can get lifetime access for as low as $119. That's a 91% discount, one-time payment, lifetime deal. Now, let's look at the features and pricing tiers so you can see exactly what you're getting. License Tier 1, $119, regularly $1,284. Includes one user, 500 credits per month, smart prototype generation, sitemap creation, unlimited prototypes, AI-powered design iteration. License Tier 2, $239, regularly $3,228. Includes everything from Tier 1 Plus, 3 users, 1,000 credits per month, import Figma files, team workspaces. License Tier 3, $480, regularly $6,468. Includes everything from Tier 2 Plus, 10 users, 2,000 credits per month, white labeling, unlimited applications. License Tier 4, $900, regularly $9,876. Includes everything from Tier 3 Plus, 10 users, 3,600 credits per month, full React code export, private data security. Check the link in the description for more details on this limited-time AppSumo offer. 5 most important features that make Krisspy special. AI-powered prototyping. Instantly generate high-fidelity prototypes without coding or design expertise. Figma integration. Easily import your existing Figma assets and maintain design consistency. Real-time design adjustments. Modify designs instantly using a visual editor or AI-powered suggestions. Full React code export. Get a production-ready React codebase for developers, saving time and resources. Automated documentation. Generate sitemaps, user stories, and product requirements directly in Krisspy. People who can benefit from Krisspy. Freelancers, product managers, small business owners, UX/UI designers, startup founders, software developers, agencies. Do you fit into one of these categories? Or know someone who does? Krisspy is a must-have tool. AppSumo's limited-time offer, 10% extra discount awaits. Got your eyes on the Krisspy lifetime deal on AppSumo? Good news! You can stack an additional 10% discount on top of the already crazy low price. How to grab this extra discount? Visit the Krisspy lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Look for a special discount pop-up on the page. Enter a valid email address. Use the same email at checkout. Check your email for the 10% discount coupon. So, why wait? Snag this deal before it's gone. Reviews that Krisspy lifetime deal on AppSumo gets. So, are you ready to turn your product ideas into live prototypes in minutes? Grab the Krisspy lifetime deal on AppSumo now before it's gone forever. Check out the description for all the details, features, and the exclusive discount link. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing deals and AI-powered innovations.